Hi, this is Ashley Morgan, My Blind Life. I am staying in an extended stay currently, but I'm going to show you how does a blind person cook. I ain't finna prepare this chicken. First I'm going to saute some onions and bell peppers. And it's going to be like, I guess, a Mexican inspired dish. I have no title to it, no ingredients. I'm just going to show you how I cook. And I do not have a lot of stuff to work with. I basically have a pot and a skillet to work with at this particular moment. And I'm using paper plates that I cut the bell pepper. My chicken been pre-washed. I washed it with lemon juice and seasoned it already. And I already pre-cut the onions and bell peppers. So I'm going to start with sauteing those first. And this is electric stove, which I'm not used to. I prefer a gas stove. My hands are already clean. Sit this right here while I grab this spatula. Stir those around a little bit before I let them continue to saute. So I'm gonna let those simmer for about 10 minutes or so, and we'll be back on camera. Okay, the onions and stuff should be sauteed. So I like to put my chicken in before I add water to it to let the chicken steam some. So I'm gonna start dropping my, I picked it up and wash it off. And I'm making this, I'm gonna broil the chicken. So I'm gonna use the juice for the rice I'm gonna make to go along with it. So I'm gonna let it steam for a little while if I add some water to it to get more of the chicken juice out. I didn't have bouillon, I would have grabbed that instead. And I ain't fit to put the lid on top of it with my clean hand. And I'll be back, guys. So the chicken had time to steam a little bit. I'm gonna pour some water into it so I can have some juice to cook the rice in. Yes, I'm using a bottled water. I'm kind of iffy. Okay. As you can see, the chicken has steamed some. And I think more flavor get into the chicken than steam like that before you pour the water on and wash all the seasoning. Oh, I'm wasting water out on the thing. My bad. But I'm gonna pour the whole thing in. So the chicken get to cook with the seasoning in it some while it's steaming before you pour the water in. And I'm gonna put this top on and let it cook for probably about 30 minutes before I come check it back again. Okay, the chicken is done, as you can see. I'm gonna take it out so I can put the rice in. And normally, we didn't have chicken breast. Normally I make a whole casserole, and plus we don't have an oven in this extended state. I do the chicken with the rice, beans, corn, and all that. Add cheese and put it in the oven with the green chili. And of course, chili powder to give it the Mexican flavor. But I'm gonna take this chicken back out, and I'll be back. So I pre-rinsed the rice. Normally I would boil my rice and rinse it. But like I said, I'm in the hotel, limited things. And this a little bit too much rice because the bag bust. But we gonna see how it turns out. I'm gonna wipe some of this off. Maybe it wasn't. Let me stir it up. I'm gonna add when the rice is close to done, I'm gonna add the beans and the green chili. Since I'm doing things a little different this time. So, I'll be back. So, I'm gonna open the black beans soup. Well, I normally use regular black bean, but this is all they had in the store. This black bean soup. So, I'm gonna add this into there. I done broke the damn top. But I got a can opener. I'm finna use the can opener.
Because your dog killed it, you give it to your dog.
Let me check this rice first. But I know it should be done. Is it coming open? No, it's not. Hold on. I get this open. I didn't know. Check this rice. Yes, and it's done. Let me add these beans to it. I forgot about the lid in it. My God, I'm just messing up. Oh God. My hands are clean. Let me sit the camera here so I can wash it out, throw it in the garbage. I'm gonna open this green chili. The green chili to add in. Oh, I got to wash the can off. I'm used to electric can opener. Like I said, hotel living. Got to adapt. Drop this in that strainer. Gonna pour the green chili in. Stirred it in. And add some chili powder to it. Watch this stuff. I just got clean some rice off my hands. And the chili powder is what give it the Mexican flavor. Add a little lemon juice to it as well. Oh my God, Trey took the top off of it.
No, I did not.
I'm scooping some of this chili up. That's green. I'm messing up, guys. Maybe because I'm on camera, I'm nervous. Take some of this stuff off top. Yes, keep recording, Taylor. I'm getting much of this chili powder off top. I gotta use my hand because I cannot see to use the spoon. Okay. That should be enough out of there. Layering the green. I'm gonna have to add some butter to this. To give it some tinge. Let me add some lemon juice to it. That's enough. A little bit more. Normally it would have been lime juice. Didn't have any lime juice, so lemon juice would have to do. Wish I had a little cayenne pepper, but don't have it. Kingston, hand me the butter out the refrigerator. Put 2 scoops of butter. And I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, Kingston. Kingston, put it back in the refrigerator. Stir the butter in. Mainly this dish only have salt, pepper, a little Cajun season, garlic powder, and the chili powder in the rice. Chili powder is not on the chicken because it will be eaten as a separate on the plate because I didn't have chicken breast. But maybe I should have put chili powder on it. So this is the dish. I will show you on the plate. Come back to show it to you on the plate. So this is the dish after I'm through the chicken legs and the rice and beans. Of course, like I said, I didn't have the corn and stuff. It normally be one. And I did add some Mexican blend cheese to it. This is what I added to it. But this is how a blind person cooks. Toodles. Please share, like, and subscribe, guys. Thank you.